In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to your Hubspot website, templates, and modules. Whether you want to refresh your site's aesthetic or ensure that your branding elements are consistent, understanding how to customize fonts in HubSpot can be a valuable skill. We're walking through this process step by step, so by the end of these 5 minutes, you'll be all set to enhance your website's design. First, we start by heading over to the HubSpot website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in hubspot.com. Once you've reached the home page, you'll notice a login button situated conveniently in the upper right hand corner. Click on this button to access your account dashboard. Logging in should take you directly to the HubSpot homepage, where all your account features are readily available. Next, on the toolbar located at the top of your screen, you'll find a content option. Click on this to view more content management features. From this menu, select Website Pages. This is where you'll manage all the pages on your site. In the Website Pages section, look for the Add button, which is generally highlighted to stand out. Clicking this will open up various options for adding new elements to your page. One of the options you'll see is Modules. Modules are essentially building blocks that let you customize specific functionalities within your website. Click on Modules to begin editing or adding new features. After opening the Modules section, locate Settings and click on it. Here is where you'll be making some important customizations. Under Settings, you'll find the Page Title option. This section not only helps you set the title of your page, but also lets you tweak other important settings. Once you're done with these adjustments, you can then head to the Template section. Clicking on Template allows you to select and modify the visual and functional templates you have in place, where some font styles can also come in handy. Changing fonts can significantly impact how users perceive your site, making the font selection crucial for branding and usability. Consider font readability and compatibility with various devices and browsers to ensure a consistent look and feel across platforms. It's best to test your site's appearance with the new font on both desktop and mobile views, maintaining a cohesive experience for all users. This brings us to the end of our tutorial on adding fonts to your HubSpot website, templates, and modules. Hopefully this helps you make your website more uniquely yours, fitting right into your brand's identity. Remember, practice makes perfect with tools like HubSpot, so don't hesitate to explore more and experiment with different looks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your HubSpot experience.